A few months ago, I received a secret unknown seed from Gardener Warrior Q. I planted it, and it has come up. I have determined that it is a pepper plant. I do not know if it's a sweet pepper or a hot pepper, but it is quite tall. Well, in a manner of speaking, it's probably a couple of feet tall. For me, that seems tall. I have some blooms on it. I am hoping that soon I have some peppers. Then I will know whether it is a sweet pepper or a hot pepper. While I'm at it, I looked and noticed that a plant right near had some tomatoes. And my broccoli. Broccoli is heading up. I think it won't be long until, well, that one's pretty little, but this one, I think it won't be long until I actually pick it, because I don't want it to fluff out and go to flower. And I'm not quite sure what this is. I'm going to have to look up. I think it might be amaranth. I have a Cosmo in bloom, and another one just about ready to bloom. And my honeysuckle has been blooming all summer. So yes, I'm excited about this secret seed. It is doing quite well. And I will be getting a harvest from it shortly, I'm sure. Pretty little blooms on it. So I know this video is short, not short enough to be a short, but not a very long video, and that's okay. It doesn't have to be a long video. I just wanted to share with you what my secret seed plant was doing. And then I showed you a couple of other things, since I was right there in that area. I hope you're having a wonderful day. My days are always wonderful. So I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Be sure to like, share, and comment. And I love responding in some manner or another to your comments, either by a like and a heart, or sometimes a comment back. Have a wonderful weekend or week, whatever portion of the week you're watching this. May God's love and blessings surround you. And I will see you on my next video.